How to stream on 1080p resolution and 60 fps on Facebook using OBS Studio. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to stream on Facebook with 1080p resolution and 60 fps using OBS Studio. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Studio application itself. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see an option named Settings. Simply click onto it. Then here simply click on Stream. Then here on this service simply select Custom. Then here go to your Facebook. On Streaming Software Setup simply copy your stream key. After that go back to your Studio. Then here again go to Settings. Then now click on Stream. Then here on the stream key option simply paste the link or URL that you had copied earlier. Then here on the server option again go back to the Facebook itself here, as you can see. Then now scroll down and then here you can see an option named server URL. Simply copy it as well. Again go back to the Studio and then here paste it. Now here go to video settings. Now as you can see on this common FPS values simply select 60. Then here on this resolution simply select the simply select the resolution which you want, like this, and then now you could go live on Facebook using this high-end resolutions and FPS. So this was the very easy fix to your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.